Hi, so welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be looking at voltaic cells. So the question that we're looking at today would be, okay, so this is the question. So there's A, B, C, D, E, F, and my handwriting is a little bit scrappy, but hopefully you can see it. So we've got FES plus 2Ag plus AQ going to Fe2 plus AQ plus 2AgS. So first of all, which species is being oxidized and which is being reduced? So if we look here, we've got Fe solid going to Fe2 plus. So in this process here, we've got minus 2 electrons. So if we're losing 2 electrons, we've got a neutral compound, we're losing 2 electrons, so the charge will become more positive by the factor of 2. So this is the loss of 2 electrons. So remember, oil rig, it's a common way to remember oxidation and reduction. So oxidation is the loss. We're looking at electrons with oil rig. So we've got the loss of 2 electrons, so this will be the oxidation. And if we look at the silver half reaction here, we're going to Ag plus, and then we're going to AgS. So we're actually gaining 1 E minus to go from a positive to neutral. So this would be the gain plus 1 electron. So it would be the reduction. So what is being oxidized? So what's being oxidized would be the Fe solid, and what's being reduced would be the Ag plus, which is being reduced. Okay, so let's write out the half equations. So we've got the Fe solid going to Fe2 plus. And we have your Ag plus going to Ag solid. Okay, so remember oxidation is loss. So we're actually losing 2 electrons here. So 2 plus 2 gives us our neutral, whereas reduction, we've got the gain, so we've got neutral here. So to balance the charge, we'll need 1 electron on that side. So this is our oxidation, this is our reduction. So the next question is, which electrode is the anode and the cathode? So the anode is the oxidation. So it'll be the Fe solid. And the cathode is a reduction. So it'll be the Ag solid. Okay, so the reduction would be at the cathode, so Ag. So indicate the electrode signs. So the anode is negative and the cathode is positive. So the anode would be your Fe solid and your Ag solid would be here. So what direction would be the flow of the electrons? So the electrons flow from the anode to the cathode. Okay. So the last question is, what direction do the cations and anions migrate to? So the anions, which are negative, will migrate towards the negative side, which would be your anode. And your cations, being positive, migrate towards your positive side, which is your cathode. So this is coming from that salt bridge, and that root equals remains that neutrality within the solution. Okay, so with the positives going to the positives and the negatives going to the negatives, it can maintain that neutrality. So thank you very much for watching this video. And this is a quick intro into these types of questions, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.